Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to Trending News JA. So Dancehall I got nice again, and we are talking about a lyrical showdown between Rajah and Eddy G Bomba. So Trending News I get for you understand say yo, Rajah drop a tune on the straight vibes rhythm, and in the song him have a line in it where say we a live the life with Eddy G cap bout.
It's like blizzard, dark copy place, black cloud, ice for my body when we pull up in the top snow. The electricity just a flash so we live it like them no Eddy G cap bout. Fresh out, we just a rock so unstoppable we a beat can't stop bounce. Watch out, we just a dash from. Tell it Janet I say bring one map come.
Me I say yo, Rajah really got this so. Alright, me nah lie, Dancehall they kinda need some of them showdown right now. But you know Eddy G, him hear this and him say
I'm saying alright. See I look post making my fans and tell me for doing that because I don't really like tear down artists and them youth are not really ready like that, you know. But don't tell me if them forget jog down now. I could jog them but right now, me just drop something right now. I don't know my brain I swear. Would not have to ask that. Tell me if I jog them but jog.
And right after, him preview a song aimed at Rajah and me I tell her say yo, in the song, him say youth, what did they for me cap bout? Me just drop a jag out a black cloud, and me order one crown, ice pa me neck, I go cost you one house.
Bomba. Pussy I went there for me cap, but me just drop a jag out a black cloud. I me just order one crown, ice pa me neck, cost you one house. Rich like say me sell crack, you look crack out. Me probably sell you all a 1 ounce. I the wrong man, you ram proud.
As me say, the song is just a preview, but me know say you know Eddy G style different already, and Rajah also lyrical. So make we see if Rajah go answer Eddy G, so we can start a lyrical showdown. And me tell us say yo, dancehall kinda they need a vibe still, younger generation. So I guess a time for you man then step up and show where they made of, you see it. And we are talking about a lyrical showdown. So we don't want no man go take it too personal and go start do physical damage to other people. We not depend on that. Make me know if you don't think Rajah go answer Eddy G, and if so, make me know if you think Eddy G can hold him on against Rajah. But tell me in the comment section who you think would have win a lyrical showdown between the two.